Thanksgiving 2014, the first white Thanksgiving in 25 years, and lots of branches down. Very heavy, wet snow, about 8 inches or so, maybe a little more, but it's kind of packed down because it's so heavy. As you can see, the 2 zipline cables are laying a little low right now because of the weight of the snow on them. Maple trees about dead. There's the big cable. Okay, I'm back, and we have some new options for snow clearing this year. One is this little guy. It's a 7-foot manual angle blade attached to a skid steer plate from my Kubota L48. And in addition to that, I picked up over the summertime a new Holland 716C, 5-foot wide, 3-point hitch, dual stage snowblower for the back of the 1982 Ford 1900, which turns out about 30 horsepower, and which is plenty enough to run a 5-foot blower. Okay, I'll probably be running with the Ford first, so I'll get them fired up, and next video will hopefully be of me using it. Okay, we'll videotape cold starting of the Ford tractor. Okay, glow plug is red, neutral, throttle's almost the way up. Just like that. Let it run for a little. There's not enough snow to really throw it. Okay, so it wasn't enough snow for the snowblower. It's wet, sticky snow. There's only like 4 inches out there. So we will switch things up a little bit. Up here in my kubota, let's see, glow plug light. Cold start the kubota. Okay, she's hooked up now. Adjust the angle on it. Jump in the swing here and get the snow to fall down. That was dumb, that could have hurt me. Like up to another tree on the zip line. This one's not that big, so should be able to just cut it off, cut it up. The cable's strung out to withstand much more than this. So, all right. Okay. Timber! Alright. Okay, so was a steel MS-460 Magnum a little overkill for that last little tree? Yeah. But I have to cut through these limbs right here, and that's why I grabbed this saw instead of something smaller. So tree stand right here. Thing in the crotch should be okay. People should be putting nails in there, so I'll probably just come right down. Hope I don't hit anything, but this chain's shot anyway, so that's why I'm using it for this cut. 28-inch bar should work out. All right. Take off this stump right here. Fortunately, that goes down to its core, so water's gonna get in there pretty bad and kill this tree quicker. Oh shoot, look at the mess I made in the Ranger. That's it. I just put a brand new seat cover on this thing, cleaned it all up, but it makes a heck of a ladder, so, or a raised work platform I consider it. So,